Amazon special, KOLVOII. New winch line, 2.7 by 50 feet, rated at 11,500 pounds. And this is gonna be replacing the stock line on the 6,000 pound winch 2-speed on the Polaris Ranger XP 1000 that we have, because that line seen better days. So we're gonna replace it with a new one. All right, so this is an Amazon special. Links will be down below for everything we have. So it's 2.7 by 50 feet. Comes in a protective bag. Oh, look at that, fancy. So nice and strong, very nice. This screws down to the drum, the reel of the winch. This will go to your hook. You got a little thingy jiggy, KOLVOII. Got that. We have instructions of how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. We have that. What's the rest inside the box? All right. We have this little thingy jiggy. That's gonna be a stop, rubber stop with Allen key inside the bag. So you got that rubber Allen key that comes with it. Unscrew, screw, and that. And this will be your hook inside this package. So the black one. So I picked the black one. There's multiple colors of line, blue, green, and like gunmetal gray. So I picked the gray color. So hide the mud and everything like that better. Knife. Got that. Cut the zip tie. Get that ready. That's all garbage. All right, let's go remove the old line first off the Polaris. Only like 20 feet, not even 10 feet. That's it. That's done. I'm gonna hook all this. Take the pin out. Pin. So mine's just tied on. So you just cut the rope on the drum. Okay, that's cut. Just like frozen. That piece, yeah. There we go. Just pull it out of the drum. So like the 6,000 pound winch, it has a hole that you could feed the line through, like the rope. Or it has the screw right there. Screw hole, so you can put the screw in. So that's what we're gonna do today. Alright. Once you remove the rope, find a random 10mm bolt. Feed your line into here like that. Line it up with the hole in the drum. Put it in here like that. Screw it down. So once you screw it down, the rope is nice and tight. Now, shove it in high gear on your winch. Take your controller and start feeding it in. All right. Alright, so we're coming to the end of the rope. There we go. So you got that. So leave this out. Wait. Out a little bit like that. So we gotta put the rubber stopper and the hook on it. We got the hook, got the stopper. Get the mount. This here, rubber mount, this stopper. Put it like this. Like that. Put your screws in, tighten them. Or do that. Alright, so you got that. Put the hook. Take the hook, put it in the hole. Like this. Like that. Put this pin back in. Bend it. Just like that. So now you got this, like that. Now you put your red little marker thingy jiggy like that, and voila. Now bring in the like that. So, finished product. There you go. Simple as that. You got your hook, stopper, marker. There we go. 11,500 pounds rated. The rope is strong. There we go. Full winch rope upgrade and install. I think it's stronger than the stock line. What it's rated at. There we go. Good enough. Good enough. Alright, there you have it, guys. Easy install, upgraded rope on the winch, on the 6,000 pound Polaris winch with the 2-speed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Links will be down below of where you could get it on Amazon and Canadian and American stores. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.